How to open Lloyds bank account online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can open Lloyds bank account online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to open Lloyds bank account online, open your browser and just go to lloydsbank.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box. Then just make sure to tap the menu icon that you can find here, and here you'll find current accounts. Tap on the drop down menu, then tap on this current accounts button here. Where on the next page it will ask you for different sort of current accounts. You can select the classic one if that is the fit for you, so tap the classic option here and then just tap on ready to apply. Whether you are a new customer or existing customer, if you already have an account on Lloyds, you can select existing, but I'm a new one, so you can tap the apply now option over here. As you do that, you can see apply or upgrade to a classic account. Keep scrolling below and then you'll find continue. Tap the continue option, and after you have done that, it will ask you for a couple of questions over here, and after that pretty much is self-explanatory. Are you an existing customer? No. Do you have a UK current account? No. Now if you have them, you can select the yes option, by the way, and then again just scroll down and then tap the continue option. As I said, after this they will give you a form which you can use to fill in your legal details, which is pretty much self-explanatory because you don't really have to do anything but fill in these forms according to your legal details. So once you have done that, you can enter the phone number, the email address, the date of birth, the country. Tap the continue option. Make sure you upload your documents if it asks on the next page, and then after that your account will get successfully created. This way you can open Lloyds bank account online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.